So here we have today the Ford Ranger in blue. So we can see the vehicle's been customised with wide arches, and also has a rear canopy. This Ranger has very low mileage, so 77,000 miles, and has had 3 owners from new. It's in very, very good condition. See the tow bar there, rear parking sensors. Vehicle also has fantastic service history. So including the service that we will place on the vehicle, it will have 13 services in total. In addition, we also put a fresh 12 months MOT on the vehicle, and that will also include taking care of any advisories that there may be. So looking down the driver's side, you can see the bodywork is in super condition. The tailgate's very clean. Doesn't have many of the usual dings, should we say. And also coming down the passenger side, again we can see that bodywork is really good. Here we have the interior of the Ranger. You can see it has electric heated seats and full leather seating, which you can see is in very good condition. And into the rear on the driver's side, again we can see that's in really good condition. So looking inside the rear of the canopy, we can see it's carpeted. Obviously that could be removed. There is a plastic load liner underneath it. Over the top of the tailgate also this gives it a bit of extra protection. And then coming into the passenger side at the rear, the leather's all very, very good. And again on the passenger side you can see that's got the heated seat, and the leather is all in excellent condition. So if you'd like any more information regarding part exchange, finance or warranty, please do get in touch, give us a call or drop us an email.